Hi everyone, welcome to the Stitchin Post. Most of you know me, I'm Nancy and I do knitting with Nancy, but today I want to talk to you about a class I'm teaching this February with Cocoknits and Julie Weissenberger. She has developed a technique for all her sweaters and her patterns top down. We have her video, which I'm going to be going over, and the techniques. So if you'd like to join me for this class, there's a few items you will need. One is the book, and you get to pick one of two sweaters that are listed online in the details of the class. The other item, and although in the book she gives you this worksheet, we here have decided to bring in, because we like the technique so much, her actual sweater workshop journal. So you can do more than one, and this will keep all your notes for future reference on it. So it's a lot of extra pages for it, because you would need one for each sweater pattern that you do. Some of her other items that you do need for the class are her stitch markers. Now the flight of stitch markers here comes with 5 different ones, the small ones which I have, and I'll explain why I like her stitch markers, but they come in different colors. If you're doing the worsted weight sweater, you can use the small or the medium, but if you're going to be doing the bulky sweater in here, you will need to get the bulkier markers, but you do need her stitch markers, because in her techniques you use different colors throughout the pattern. And if you look at her charts, she uses a yellow, a purple, a blue, a red, a green, and an orange. So you do need all those colors. Why I like her products, and I'm showing her maker's board here in gray, we also have it in the camel color, brown, is everything is magnetic. So we have brought in her darning needles, they are magnetic. I have her stitch counter, which I also love, because not only can you count what row you're on, but then you can lock it so it can't go while you're away. Your little children or your dog who likes to chew things can't make a mess of it. But it's magnetic, along with the stitch fixer. And all her other tools and everything are magnetic. So I really like that. Something new she did, I just threw in because it's fun and because it's in the cool colors, are her emery boards. So we have her Cocoknits mini, because everybody needs an emery board in their knitting case, because we're always chipping our fingers. So I hope you will join me for this fun class. It will teach you how to do her technique of top down and the different aspects of it, and how to do her chart, and so that you can keep it also for further reference. Everything is listed online, or give us a call here at the store and we can help you. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.